Hello there, it's Chris of Crocodile Tears and also the trees and the singing sock. This is the COVID festival thanks to Paul Saunders, and I'd like to play you a brand new song called It's Always Raining Somewhere. And you know what? It always is. I moved from Poet's Corner to somewhere that was warmer. When it got cold there, I came back more aware that it's always raining somewhere. If not here, then there. The rain falls hard over on Momus Boulevard, but here in Wyver Crescent the weather's rather pleasant. Oh, but it's raining somewhere. I loved her, that's for sure, that girl from Stoke-on-Moor. But when the dark clouds gathered, our brollies lay all tattered, yeah. And it's always raining somewhere. If not here, then there. The rain falls hard over on Momus Boulevard, but here in Wyver Crescent the weather's rather pleasant. Oh, but it's raining somewhere. It's always raining somewhere.